Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hussein Nugroho. I'm from Indonesia. Currently, I am active student in Universitas Indonesia, and I'm also a manager at Bank BRI. First of all, I would like to thank the Asian Scholars Network for giving me the opportunity to share my research. Now, I'm going to share you about the entrepreneurship and the title of my research, the influence of market orientation, entrepreneurial passion, and environmental dynamism on unit performance in microfinance services. This research, my thesis that I am currently working on. Let's start with introduction of this research. In introduction, I have 4 points which are the background of this research. First, the dynamic business environment and the complexity of business competition force all business actors to continuously seek new opportunities in order to survive and continue to develop. As stated by Berger and Blaskova 2020, the increasing dynamics and complexity of the business environment require entrepreneurship within organization for the development and long-term sustainability of the company's competitive advantage. And the second of backgrounds, previous research we refer to for previous study related to entrepreneurship, but from different point of view. The first from Samra and Sa 2020, they conducted research on the effect of entrepreneurial orientation on financial and non-financial performance. However, they didn't conduct research on the variable that affect entrepreneurial orientation. And then three other studies, such as Mantok et al., Zolo et al., and Farnum et al., they conducted research related to variables that affect entrepreneurial orientation. Therefore, we try to combine previous research concept or modeling according to the process management strategy. And the third, the strategic management process, as stated by Whelan and Hanger 2012, that the process in strategic management, there are 4 stages. The first, environmental scanning; second, strategic formulation; third, strategic implementation; and fourth, evaluation and control. We try to categorize research variable into strategic stages of process management, such as market orientation, entrepreneurial passion, environmental dynamism variables as scanning processes in organization, then EO or entrepreneur orientation variable as strategic formulation, then strategic entrepreneurship variable as the strategic implementation, and finally unit perform variable as evaluation and monitoring process. And the fourth, research context. This research was conducted in the banking industry that serve micro business financing. PT Bank Rakyat Indonesia, namely Bank BRI. Bank BRI is the largest bank in Indonesia that contributes to the growth of the micro, small, medium enterprise business. And at the bottom of the column is the structure of BRI, namely the head office, regional office, branch office, and BRI unit. We conducted research at the level of BRI business unit, namely BRI unit. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. This is the umbrella theory of my research. The study used research related to resource-based theory as a grand theory derived from other theory such as strategic management and entrepreneurship. RBT analyze resource management capabilities that can be used as dynamic capabilities so that they can form a competitive advantage that is valuable and difficult for competitors to imitate. We refer to dynamic capabilities theory developed by Tis in 97, then theory of competitive advantage, we refer to the Porter theories. And below is our reference in setting the research model. At the bottom, you can see the strategic management process flow and the distribution of each variable. Okay, let's move on to the literature review. Okay, literature review to see how the previous research model is used reference and this research model. The previous research model is on the right and left side, while our research model in the center of the slide. We try to combine several variables into one new integrated research model. Okay, let's move on to our research. This is the research model. So based on our research model, we have research question, namely the first, do market orientation, entrepreneurial passion, and environmental dynamism have a direct and a positive influence on the entrepreneurial orientation of the BRI unit? Second, does entrepreneurial orientation have a direct and positive impact on strategic entrepreneurship at BRI unit? Third, does strategic entrepreneurship have a direct and positive impact on unit performance at BRI unit? And the fourth, do entrepreneurial orientation and strategic entrepreneurship mediate the influence of market orientation, entrepreneurial passion, and environmental dynamism indirectly and positively on unit perform at BRI units? Next slide, related about the methodology. The context of the research was conducted at Bank BRI in Indonesia. The population of the study is BRI unit spread over 34 provinces in Indonesia. And then the measurement in the study used 57 items. 52 items in the form of primary data and 5 items from secondary data. And then the research sample is 334 BRI units, which have provided response to the question on this questionnaire. Considering that in 2020, Indonesia is still experiencing a COVID-19 pandemic, to be more effective, we use questionnaire as a way of the collecting data. And the validity reliability, we use SPSS to analyze validity and reliability of the data. It can be seen from the result of the alpha value and KMO value. And lastly, we conducted the main test using list trial to find out the direct relationship between variable. In addition, we also use the Sobel test to determine the effect of mediating variable in the study. And then this is the measurement. We refer to some research. Next, this is the validity and reliability result. So it was concluded that all items were valid and reliable. The next, so the result of goodness of fit analysis of the research model, where on the left in the syntax used in Israel and on the right are the result and the match index goodness of fit. Based on the results, it is concluded that this research model fit and can be analyzed further. And then the next slide, we present t-values and standardized factor values in the research model for understanding. The t-values is above, while the standard factor values is below the t-value, and use the brackets. From the result of data processing using Israel, it is known that all variables have positive t-value and the standard factor value is more than 1.96. Therefore, the result of the hypothesis test are declared accepted. And the following is the path diagram of the structural model of the result output. Can be seen that all lines have positive value. Okay, this is the output of Lisrel. And then the next, we turn to the result of testing the mediating relationship with Sobel test. The Sobel test question can be seen on the slide, where the Sobel test will show the result of the influence of the mediating variable. The result showed the Z Sobel value was more than 1.96. This proved that there is an indirect and significant effect on the mediating variable. And finally, we present the conclusion of this study. The first, companies that have an orientation to customer and competitors can make strategies in finding new opportunities so that they can improve company performance. Second, entrepreneurial passion is needed by companies to develop entrepreneurial orientation so that they can create new opportunities. And third, environmental dynamics force entrepreneurs to be entrepreneurship oriented in order to survive in business competition. Fourth, companies need to provide understanding and education to business unit management regarding the importance of market orientation in creating new opportunities based on customer needs. Fifth, the motivation and comfort of working in business unit can increase the spirit of entrepreneurship so that the business unit will be enthusiastic in seeking new opportunities and selling new product. And then change in the business environment continue to occur due to many factors, so companies must be prepared to face this condition with an entrepreneurial orientation. And then the entrepreneurial orientation has an indirect and positive effect on unit performance by mediating strategic entrepreneurship at BRI unit. And the last conclusion, this research can be useful for the company's top management to revitalize business unit which have an impact on optimized performance. Okay, we hope that this research can be useful for scientific knowledge and managerial policy in improving company performance. And then thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Finally, terima kasih. Wabillahi taufik walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.